I am Chanel Matthews and this is Unfiltered. Should financial literacy be taught in schools? We asked Jamaicans to share their thoughts.
Absolutely. It's very important for us to learn how to manage our money, and it will help us to better understand the value of it. It's not just to go broth and have fun, it's to save for your future. A house can skate on a tool, but if a flood happens, you probably can sleep on your roof, but can you sleep in the car?
Yeah, for one, in the sense of maths is a big part of the big world. I get to realize that in this world, money management is a lot. Saying that, oh, if you can't really manage your money, you're not going to really make it. If you can say, all right, I'm going to save this, you save.
At this point, no. Because based on the fact that I learned POB and accounts in school, at the time it made no sense, and at the age of time at now, it's making a lot of sense. So maybe teaching it in universities where the children are, or should I say the school leavers are a bit more mature enough to understand the concept of it. That's where I think then it should be taught.
Yes, it should, because, for anyone that is young, that is going into the world, to be honest, being financially literate, it's something that can help you in the long run, make smarter decisions, and can actually help you in the future, just the same, in acquiring anything that you want in life, just the same.
Yes, because some persons have money, like they have a whole heap of money, they just spend willingly, just spend and don't consider about saving something for rainy day or so. I think it should be taught how to manage the whole thing about managing money, so you can have it over a long period of time.
Well, if it's education, I think yes, kids got to know everything what's going on.
Yes, it will benefit us in a long run. So when we get bigger or when we are more mature, it teaches us money management. It teaches us to be responsibility and responsible.
Yeah, because it stops overspending.
Yes, it should be. Educate the young ones, especially in high school. I think it's good for persons who are business minds. Everyone is business mind now, a little financial help in regards to even the kids as well. Teach them money management. I think in the long run, it's good.